Hi everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here, giving you guys another Pick 3 video, and today we're going to work on a tic-tac-toe strategy. Yes, y'all been hitting me up in the comments asking me if I had a strategy. I never really used tic-tac-toe effectively, but doing a little research, kind of digging in, looking at some things, I think I found something for us all. All right, so even if you're outside of the state of Florida, definitely stay tuned because a lot of these tips and strategies I'm seeing in other areas as well. All right, let's get started, guys. So on May 16th midday, we had a hit of 376. Now on the tic-tac-toe chart, I went ahead and I started from your top left going all the way to your bottom right to put in the last draw. Again, that was 376. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 all around. So we'll go ahead and count that out together, okay? So you're going to start from 6, right? You have 7, 8, 9, 10. When you get to your 2 digits, only use your ones place, your 0 for 10, okay? For lottery math. 1, 2. All right, so let's do that again. Make sure we're all in agreement here. 3, 7, 6. Then we fill it out. 1 all the way around. We're going to add 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Only use your ones place. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, just want to make sure we had that clear. Once you get your tic-tac-toe grid out the way, I'm noticing tic-tac-toe is more successful for me right now. And I'm not saying for all games. I'm not saying for all states. When you notice a 7 in the middle of the number or a 0, just something I'm noticing. Something about this middle digit is kicking off particular patterns on this tic-tac-toe grid. Okay, and I want to show you, if you happen to have a draw that has the middle number as a 7 or 0, you really may want to be just really tune into what's going on here and check out and see if this pattern is also something you can utilize. Okay, so let's say here we have a 7. I marked it in red so you guys know what I mean about the second number. Okay, and what I've noticed around this area, especially the lower right side of this quadrant, okay, you'll see doubles or mirrors. Okay, you see this 2 and this 7. You guys, that's actually the same number. Okay, for those that don't understand mirror numbers is just the opposite of another number. Okay, so 2 and 7, that's the same number. Also, 0 can be a 5, a 1 can be a 6, a 3 can be an 8, and a 4 can be a 9, and vice versa. And you're going to need this. Why? Because sometimes we have to mirror numbers in order to get our hits. So make sure you guys start noting your mirror numbers. Okay, moving on. So now I want you guys to pay close attention to when you see your doubles or double mirrors here. Okay. Now, a lot of times what I'm seeing when there's a 7 or 0 in the middle, the pair that plays in between it is the pair that will come out the next draw or two, or a couple draws, but especially the next draw. Just something that I want you guys to backtrack. So we're going to start by putting combinations together. So you see the 2 and 7, you're going to go the opposite direction in between them, and you're going to write down 7, 6. That's going to be your first pair. So we'll just write it up here. 7, 6. Okay, 7, 6. Now, to connect the third number, I mean, you guys can go off from here. You guys can, anything that touches this 7, 6, you can do. 7, 6, 1, that could be something. 7, 6, 0, that could be something. 7, 6, 3, you might want to do that again. 7, 6, 9. 7, 6, 8. And even 7, 6, 7. Okay. Now here's another tip that I have. Just one more tip. When I add the date sum, for instance, this is May 16th. So May 16th if you put those together, would be 22. I'm sorry, 21. Where's my math at? 5 plus 16 is 21, right? For lottery math, for the date sum, we only use a 1. Our ones place. So a 1 or a 6. Make sure if you see a 1 or a 6, you highlight that. This could mean that the third number, if you want to eliminate numbers, could sit on top of a 1 or a 6, or it could even be a 1 or a 6. Okay? So let's look at this again. Let's look at the numbers that sit on top of a 1 or 6. So we can go 7, 6, 0, right? Which we have. Make sure we pay close attention to this. We can also do 7, 6, 7. Why? Because it sits on top of a 6 or 1. We'll put a note here. And then you can also do 7, 6, 1. You can also use that date sum number as an option. So if we had to condense, let's say your money is funny, you can do 761, 760, and 767. Does that make any sense to you guys? I hope it does. Y'all, guess what hit? Y'all know I ain't even playing with y'all. Guess what hit? Guess what hit? 706. 706 was the hit. It hit the next draw. May 16th that evening. Bam. Here we go. Right here on the chart. 760. Y'all. Oh, I'm loving this. Pay attention. Pay attention, y'all. This was pretty cool. It happened again. Remember, I told you. I'm noticing when the draw number has either a 0 or a 7, it's like the numbers kind of just jump out to you. So we're going to do it again right here. We're going to plug in 706. Okay. We're going to add 1 all the way around starting from 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again, only for lottery math, use your 1 digit, your 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now that we have this together, I also want you guys to do your date sum. Okay. So 5 plus 16 again is what? 21. That's the date sum. So just mark it. Your 1 or 6 happens to be right here. So now I want you guys to identify your right quadrant here. 2 and 7. You see those mirror doubles right there? That's letting me know that numbers in between can possibly hit the next draw too. Okay? So let's put those combinations together right now. So we'll go 0, 6 or 6, 0, however you want to put it. 6, 0. You can do anything that touches this, right? So 6, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, 6, 0, 7, 6, 0, 9, 6, 0, 8. All right. And then we have 6, 0, 7 again. That's twice. Okay. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to anything that has a number 9 or even a possible number 6 on top of it. You see this 9? This 9 might turn this 0 into a 5. So write that in the box. Okay. So now that where you have that 6, 0, 0 or any of those 6, 0 numbers, you can also do 6, 5, 0. Okay. You might even want to do 6, 5, 7. Okay. You might even want to do a 6, 5, 1. Just giving you guys some options. Okay. Because the hit did come. Yes, it did. Y'all, guess what happened? May 17th, midday, the next draw. The very next draw. 650 hit. Remember I told you guys to mirror this 9? It was sitting right on top. That was flagging you that there's a possibility if you use this number, you may have to mirror it. Okay, and it did. So we're going to go 650. Right here. That's it. 650. That was was it. That's how simple this was. So I want you guys to go backtrack whenever you see any of your drawers that have a 7 or a 0. Try it out with other ones too. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but what I'm saying is be on a lookout. Flag those particular numbers. Backtrack them and see if you're seeing the patterns. And they may not be here. They may be somewhere else, but keep checking them. Don't miss out. So I'm going to end it here. I want you guys to go do your homework. Let me know in the comments how you're doing with this, regardless if you're in Florida or any other state, and let me know what state that you're working this particular strategy off of, okay? It would be so helpful. Guys, if you found value in this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.